Hi everyone, my name is Mpourmpakis. I'm Associate Professor in the Department of Chemical and Petroleum Engineering at the University of Pittsburgh and the Director of the Computer-Aided Nano and Energy Lab. Our lab is a computational lab and we have three major research thrusts. The oxide chemistry, where we try to understand how different reactions happen on the surfaces of metal oxides. And in this example, I show you how a propane molecule dehydrogenates on the surface of gamma alumina to form olefins for the production of polymers and plastics. In the nanocatalysis thrust, we focus on understanding how the metal nanoparticle morphology, such as size, shape, and metal composition, affect catalysis. In this example, I show you how carbon dioxide does not like to interact with a copper nanoparticle, but then when you dope this copper nanoparticle with another metal and you form a bimetallic nanoparticle, you see that it can activate, it can absorb and it can activate carbon dioxide, which we can design catalysts to convert carbon dioxide to fuels and chemicals for use in the chemical industry. In the third thrust, the nanomaterials growth thrust, we try to understand how the mechanisms that we can control the final nanoparticle morphologies during synthesis, such as size, shape, and metal composition. Now, why this is important? Because if we can control the final nanoparticle morphological characteristics, then we can control the nanoparticle properties, catalytic properties, and also we can combine these metal nanoparticle properties with properties of metal oxides, which are commonly used as supports in heterogeneous catalysis to design very active, selective, and robust catalysts. Of course, all these discoveries are the result of the hard work of very talented students that we have in our lab. And here I show you recent researchers and current researchers and also current, very recent alumni from our lab. All our researchers, they work in a very collaborative environment, close to each other, they help each other, and this is the reason that we have great success in our lab. Now, the students in our lab develop skills which are related both to technical research skills, but also to their career development. For example, on the technical side, they develop skills on first principles calculations, on multi-scale modeling, on machine learning, and on scientific computing. In addition to these skills, we develop skills that they help them become the next leaders in academia and in industry, such as effective communication, mentoring skills, and of course, management skills, managing both groups and also smaller group of researchers and also scientific projects. Our students find positions in leading industry and universities around the world. And as you will see, we have a pretty much equal distribution between the students who go to academia and students who that go to industry. Focusing on the most recent PhD graduates from our lab, you will see that they go both to leading universities such as MIT and Northwestern University, and also leading industries in the United States. And here are some examples of our recent alumni, all the way from the undergraduate level to the postdoctoral level. All right, so I would like to ask you to feel free to send me an email, to connect with me, and to schedule a meeting so that you learn more about the opportunities in our lab, and also for me to learn about your career goals and future career aspirations. I would like to also encourage you to visit our lab, our website, the website of our lab. And here I show you the website, which is Mpourmpakis.com. And of course, in our website, you can see, of course, our sponsors. You can see the research that we do in our lab, all right, and get the specifics of each research project. You can view educational material that we have developed over the years for the scientific community. You can also view the publications that we have, all the research publications that we have published over the years. You can see the news, and most importantly, you can see the very successful stories of all the members in our lab, and especially of our students. Our students have won awards from national and international competitions, and they have been doing great. They are very successful. We are very proud of all the members of our lab. And importantly, I would like to mention that we have been very fortunate to host also many graduate research fellows over the years in our laboratory. With that, thank you very much for viewing this video. And I would be very happy to connect with you and to learn about your future career goals and future career aspirations.